How to sign up and set up the Bold app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you guys are wondering how, in today's video we'll be guiding you for that. So what you can do is first of all head over and download this application called Bold. You can find it directly and open it up on your screen like this. And once you open it up, you can just go ahead and look out for the section for signing up, which should be like this. So what you can do is you can create up your account using your phone number, your Google account, or your Facebook. So head over and follow any of the process available. For example, a Google account. You may just go ahead and verify your phone number or your Google account by receiving a code. Just go ahead and type in the 4-digit code. After that, you can just go ahead and then set up your account like this, like set up a location for yourself. You can go ahead and verify yourself, and then your account has been created very easily. Now you can just go ahead and set up your account. You can go to the account tab in the bottom right corner, and when you head over here you will be finding your name automatically being added if you're using a Google account. Otherwise, you can tap on personal info and then go ahead and add up your profile picture or your phone number or your email address. And once it is completed, you will be signed up for your Bold account, and your account will be set up. And that's it. Now you may just go ahead and use this account for booking your rides and everything, and that is it. So if you'd also like to sign up and set up your Bold app, you can head over and follow up the steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.